Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing bar chair. At the same time, I'm going to be showing you how you can install it. If you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe at the end of this video. Okay, now let's get into it. So let's see what we have in the box. So I've purchased this. Oh, okay, let's put it down while I show you guys. Here is what we have. I picked this color because it's one of my favorite colors. So I think the seat is large enough for an adult, and this is what the back looks like. So this is a very beautiful color. We have this as well. I think this is a stand here. So this is a stand. Basically, you're still going to see while we're trying to install. And again, we have this. Let's see what's is in here. Okay. Oh, this is the stand as well. I think this is like the neck. So yeah, basically that's all we have in the okay. And the bottom, this is the bottom. This is the damper. It's quite larger than I expected. Okay, so yeah, that is it. That's all we have in the box. So quickly, let's move on while Obi help himself. Catch you in the next one. Bye.